Welcome, dear reader, to a world where horsepower meets haute couture, where engineering prowess dances with exquisite craftsmanship. This is the realm of luxury cars, a realm reserved for those who demand the extraordinary and accept no compromises. It's a world where the ordinary simply will not do. Luxury cars are not mere modes of transport. They are statements of personal taste, achievements and aspirations. They are rolling works of art, meticulously crafted to stir the soul and ignite the senses. From the sleek lines of a handcrafted Italian sports car to the stately presence of a bespoke British saloon, every detail whispers of luxury and exclusivity. But the allure of luxury cars goes beyond their aesthetic appeal. It's about the feeling of power at your fingertips, the symphony of the engine roaring to life, the embrace of supple leather seats. It's about experiencing the pinnacle of automotive engineering, where performance and comfort intertwine seamlessly. Join me as we delve into this fascinating world, exploring the nuances of luxury car brands, the unique experiences they offer, and the undeniable allure they hold for so many. Buckle up, dear reader, and prepare for a thrilling ride. Owning a luxury car is akin to joining an exclusive club, a fraternity of discerning individuals who appreciate the finer things in life. It's about having access to a level of craftsmanship, performance and prestige that is simply unattainable elsewhere. Imagine, if you will, the satisfaction of owning a vehicle that exists as a limited production model, its rarity only adding to its allure. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard, turning heads and eliciting whispers of admiration wherever you go. This is the allure of exclusivity that luxury cars offer. The exclusivity also extends to the ownership experience itself. Luxury car manufacturers go above and beyond to pamper their clientele, offering bespoke services tailored to individual needs. From priority access to exclusive events, to dedicated concierge services, owning a luxury car is an experience that permeates every aspect of ownership. It's the knowledge that your car is not just a machine, but a meticulously crafted masterpiece built with an unwavering commitment to perfection. That is the allure of exclusivity. Stepping into a luxury car is akin to entering a sanctuary of indulgence, a cocoon of comfort and refinement where every sense is tantalized. The aroma of fine leather, the feel of polished wood trim, the hushed silence of a meticulously engineered cabin. It's an experience that transcends mere transportation. The symphony of sound is another defining aspect of the luxury car experience. The purr of a finely tuned engine, the satisfying click of a gear change, the crystal clear sound from a premium audio system. All these elements combine to create an orchestra of auditory pleasure. Then there's the thrill of the drive itself. Luxury cars are renowned for their exceptional handling, their ability to hug corners and devour straights with equal aplomb. The feeling of power at your fingertips, the responsiveness of the engine to your every command. It's an exhilarating experience that leaves you feeling invigorated. In the world of luxury cars, every drive is an event, a symphony of sensory delights that lingers long after the journey has ended. I recall a particularly memorable drive along the French Riviera in a sleek silver Aston Martin Vantage. The sun was setting, casting a warm glow over the Mediterranean Sea as I navigated the winding coastal roads. The wind whipped through my hair, the engine roared in my ears, and I felt an overwhelming sense of freedom and exhilaration. Another cherished memory involves a road trip through the Scottish Highlands in a stately Range Rover. We were met with breathtaking scenery at every turn, from rugged mountains to serene lochs. The Range Rover, with its go-anywhere capability and luxurious interior, proved to be the perfect companion for this unforgettable adventure. These are just a few examples of how luxury cars have the power to create lasting memories. They become more than just machines. They transform into trusted companions, silent witnesses to life's adventures. Section 5. A pantheon of automotive excellence, German engineering. Germany, the land of precision engineering and automotive excellence, boasts a rich history of producing some of the world's most coveted luxury cars. From the stately Mercedes-Benz S-Class to the sporty BMW M5, German luxury cars are renowned for their impeccable build quality, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance. Mercedes-Benz, with its storied heritage and reputation for unparalleled luxury, sets the benchmark for full-size luxury saloons. The S-Class, in particular, is a masterclass in opulence and refinement, offering a driving experience that is both cosseting and exhilarating. BMW, on the other hand, is known for its focus on driver engagement and sporty handling. Models like the 7 Series and the aforementioned M5 offer a perfect blend of luxury and performance, appealing to those who crave a more dynamic driving experience. Audi, with its Quattro all-wheel drive system and sleek design language, has carved a niche for itself in the luxury car market. The A8, for instance, is a technological tour de force, packed with innovative features and offering a refined and composed driving experience. Italy, the birthplace of Renaissance art and design, is renowned for its passion for automotive excellence. Italian luxury cars are all about emotion, style, and exclusivity. They are rolling works of art, designed to turn heads and ignite the senses. Ferrari, the prancing horse of Maranello, needs no introduction. Synonymous with speed, glamour, and exclusivity, Ferrari is the epitome of Italian automotive passion. From the iconic F40 to the latest SF90 Stradale, Ferrari continues to push the boundaries of performance and design. Lamborghini, another legendary Italian marque, is known for its flamboyant designs and outrageous performance. Models like the Aventador and the Huracan are not for the faint of heart, offering an exhilarating driving experience that is as visceral as it is unforgettable. Maserati, with its trident logo and a focus on understated elegance, offers a more refined take on Italian luxury. Cars like the Quattroporte and the Ghibli combine sporty handling with a luxurious interior, appealing to those who appreciate both performance and comfort. Owning a luxury car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's about embracing a certain lifestyle. It's about attending exclusive events, dining at fine restaurants, and enjoying the finer things in life. It's about surrounding yourself with beauty, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Imagine yourself arriving at the Opera House in a sleek Aston Martin DB11, its elegant lines reflecting the city lights. Picture yourself attending a polo match in a classic Jaguar E-Type, its timeless design turning heads wherever you go. Or envision yourself enjoying a weekend getaway in a luxurious Bentley Continental GT, its powerful engine effortlessly devouring miles of open road. These are just a few glimpses into the luxury lifestyle, a lifestyle that is both aspirational and attainable for those who dare to dream big. It's about indulging your passions, rewarding your successes, and living life to the fullest. Luxury cars have always been potent status symbols, signifying success, wealth, and discerning taste. They are aspirational machines, objects of desire that inspire us to dream big and strive for greatness. From the sleek lines of a Porsche 911 to the imposing presence of a Rolls-Royce Phantom, luxury cars have a way of turning heads and commanding respect. They make a statement without saying a word, conveying a message of success and achievement. But beyond their status symbol appeal, luxury cars are also aspirational machines. They represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering, design, and craftsmanship, inspiring us to reach for our own personal best. They remind us that with hard work, dedication, and a touch of ambition, anything is possible. In a world of mass production and fleeting trends, luxury cars stand as enduring symbols of craftsmanship, exclusivity, and timeless appeal. They are investments in quality, design, and performance, offering experiences that transcend the ordinary and elevate everyday life into something truly special. Whether you're drawn to the raw power of a Ferrari, the understated elegance of a Bentley, or the technological prowess of a Mercedes-Benz, there's a luxury car out there waiting to ignite your passion for automotive excellence. So embrace the allure of the open road, indulge your senses, and experience the unique thrill of cruising in style. The world of luxury cars awaits.